Good evening, everyone. Next Generation Weather Forecaster Joe Shock here from StormChaserJS.com. Taking a look here at the guidance for the winter storm. I guess you can call it winter early spring since meteorological spring begins on March 1st. But it's going to be a winter storm for someone, and I think that this may trend further north, and you'll see what's going on here with the guidance that I'm going to be going through here. So anyway, here's the 18Z NAM for 1 a.m. Friday morning. You can see there's 3 lows. There's one here, and then one out here. This is, I think, too far south, first of all, because I think what's going to happen is that I think it's going to be this front wave and this one is going to combine. It's going to be stronger in here. It's going to be somewhere off of Jersey instead of somewhere off the Delmarva Peninsula. So maybe 100 miles further north than what the NAM has. Right where my arrow is, I think that's where this is going to end up, and that's where a lot of the European ensembles, even a little bit further west, some of the European ensembles have this storm for Friday. Now, we'll see how much moisture get thrown back, because the European and the other models, really every global model, has been having a hard time figuring out how much moisture will get thrown back and where the track is. So, again, I think this will be higher impact for here, southern New England. Here's the GFS again. You can see how it has the other one phased in, but still looks like it's too far south and east. Well, this one here will swing around the backside and end up over here by Friday afternoon. So the GFS is better. Then here we have Friday morning. Again, you can see this consolidating out here, and I think this again is too far to the south and east. 985 millibars, I think, will be further back. Again, that's where the European ensemble has it. Friday afternoon, it deepens to 974. I think will be further back. I don't know what this low out here is developing, but you can see the heavy precipitation that possibly may get thrown back in southern New England. But overall, this here, if this is correct, this would be a suppressed storm with minimal impact to New England. Then here we have Friday evening as it back southeastward, 972. So this is going to develop. It is going to deepen, but again, where will it be? And I think it's further north and west than where the models have it. But it's certainly possible that this is suppressed. And some of the impacts would be heavy rain, heavy snow, and coastal flooding, since the tides are going to be astronomically high along the East Mass coast on Friday. Now here is the GFS ensemble. And I like these members up here further north. This is, again, what I believe will happen. And you can see, again, members here. And this is where the mean is. So you can see members are further north here, which is still on the table. And that's still what I think is going to happen. You can see members holding back Friday afternoon and Friday evening, as the model at least thinks most of this will be heading off to the east a little bit faster than what the European has. And again, the European is focused Long Island to central New Jersey. There's a big cluster there, and then there's some clusters around here. So the European overall is further north and west than the GFS, but there are members even of the European. And the European operational is, believe it or not, on the southern side of the envelope guidance. So again, lots to watch over the next few days, and potentially this could become a higher impact storm than what is currently being modeled. So again, lots to keep a track on here as the Greenland block, the NAO, goes severely negative and is retrograding, moving southwestward, up over the pole and up over Greenland. So this may not be the only storm threat over the next 7 to 10 days. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.